Welcome friends. I've been requested by my friends to make a resume in the most simple way. So let's go to the screen, open MS Word and simply press open new and write in the search bar CV or resume. Press enter and you can see a lot of CV in ready-made mode, so you can choose any type or any job title you require. So it's just like filling a form. You can find each and every style the way you wish. I have opened one and let's create it. You can see that it's one of the simplest CV form. So let's fill it. You can see it's already written first name. So I write my name, although it's not my name, but it's my channel name, so I use it here for as name. So another one is address and your email address, XYZ addresses if you would like to fill, otherwise delete this. Here you can place some text about explaining yourself. Later on you can see that experience, there are always two dates. You can mention even day and month. So I'm simply filling this, so I write only years, and this is title of the job. Company name, for example, any XYZ company. These are just names, although it's not real. I'm just filling the form, or I'm trying to teach you the way how to make it easy. And education, you can increase or decrease the number of columns by pressing enter. Either you would like to start it from metric or whatever. And at the end, these are skills, so you can write your skills. Again, you can add or delete bullets the way you wish. This is the most easy method of creating a resume. There are many options available with which you can choose the right topic or the right format you desired. So our CV is made in few minutes. This is very simple. You can also add a picture, so simply go to the main screen or where your picture is available and come to the CV back, right click and paste. Remember, when you right click, so text must not be selected. So you can see that the picture is larger. Press it and make it smaller. You can use crop and use wrap up text if you would like to move the picture into some other location. Justify your text to look more beautiful. Now you can see our CV is in presentable way. We can share and we can send it. Thanks for watching. Please press like and waiting for your subscription. Thanks.